let's go. Just take me now. She said I wanna feel no pain.
สวัสดีค่ะ Amazing people how are you doing our menu today is a Drunken Udon with shrimp instead of the rice fat noodle I use the udon noodle instead and why the name is Drunken I guess because when people go drink and get drunk they want to get sober very soon all we do is just try to eat something spicy yes this dish is you're going to add couple chili in here and also when you cook with shellfish like shrimp that I'm going to do it today you want to add with the kaffir or this is called finger root because in here it's not that simple to find a fresh one for what I do I use something that is come with the jar already and the taste is not bad at all I tasted before let's start it
Yeah, let's go. Just take me now. She said I wanna feel no pain. Just pin me down. She said I wanna misbehave. She looks me dead in the eyes. She's staring straight through my soul. She says she wants something new. She's sick of everything. She said stay for a minute, play with my limits, drink till we're sinning. Baby, I'm ready. She said stay for a minute, play with my limits, drink till we're sinning. Baby, I'm ready to go. Say shake that ass like you want it, girl. Down low, front it, girl. I just wanna smack it all around like I own it, girl. Say shake that ass like you want it, girl. Down low, front it, girl. I just wanna smack it all around like I own it, girl.
When you stir fry the shrimp a little bit, it can be perfect cooking, the red color, and it's not overcooked. Look at the color. I love it. Let's taste the noodle. Ooh. The basil smells so good. I hope you enjoy my Drunken Noodle recipe today and Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Baby, I'm ready to go.